If you want to make sure you don't just have a great looking midsection, but a super strong one, then today I'm going to show you a dynamic core workout that you can do right there at home using just your own body weight that's going to help you build a core of steel. Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell here from SixPackFactory.com. Today I've got something really special for you and you're going to really enjoy this core workout. It's not just a lot of fun, but it is super effective, and I call this the core slide through. You basically take two exercises. In a second I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and then what you do is you create a transition exercise between those two core exercises to really hammer and hit your core front and back, not just the front. So a great overall total core workout. Let me now quickly show you how to do it, and then afterwards I will tell you the workout structure so that you know exactly what to do to build a strong core right there at home. Now you can use a couple of yoga blocks, or you can just use your hands on the floor, and make sure you have socks because your feet needs to slide back and forth. Then get yourself into a normal straight arm plank position, contract your core, contract your quads, and then from there onwards, you're going to slide your feet forward, and then at the front, also contract your butt, your hamstrings, your back, and stay in that reverse plank position. Then you're going back into a normal plank, and you're going to slide back and forth like this at each side. Make sure you just contract everything for a few seconds, just to make sure we have proper technique. So there you go. First thing, guys, you don't need yoga blocks. That's just to add a little bit of height, especially for beginners. That works really well. You can actually do it just on your hands, not a problem at all. So how do you actually create a workout from this? Simple, guys. So you're going forward and then backwards. That's 1 rep. You do 10 reps, 3 to 4 sets. As simple as that, 3 times a week, and that will help you build a really great functional and strong core right there at home. So guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Click on that like button, share this with your friends. Please subscribe if you're not a member yet, and I will see you in the next one. Remember, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.